Hey guys, what's up, you guys? What's up? What's up? How you guys are doing today? It's Monday, and I'm here. As you can see, I'm cooking, and I decided to cook some Karila. I don't know if you guys, some people may know it as Karila or Kariley, right? Karila or Kariley. This is what it is. It's a vegetable. It is bitter. For those who are in the Caribbean, from the islands, they know what this is about, or what it's called. It's called Kariley or Karila. And people tend, different countries call it different names, but we call it Karila. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Trinidadian call it Kariley, or some people call it bitter melon. I think the next word for it is bitter melon. So this is what it is. This is what I cooked, or I'm cooking actually. And I cooked it with beef. So yeah, with my nice little tomatoes inside cut up, and all my good seasonings, spices, and everything. I'm eating this with some rice, some white rice, right? So I'm eating this with some white rice, and that's it. So this is basically finished, but I just like for it to cook down a little more, you know. And it's bitter, guys. It's bitter, and it's good. It's something good for the blood. It's good for your blood, okay? And if you're diabetic, it's good for you too. It bitters your blood, and it helps with the lower your blood sugar, right? So remember that it's called bitter Kariley or bitter lemon. So if you see this in any Caribbean West Indies supermarket or groceries, farmers market, whichever, you can pick up some. If you're a diabetic, or family members that diabetes, this is good for them as well, because it helps to reduce the sugar, the bitterness. And you can also drink some. Like, first you soak it. When you cut it up, you soak it with some water. But I just put salt in mine, a little bit of salt in my water, and I soak it. And I leave it there for like about to go an hour, 2 hours or so, and let it some of the bitterness come out. Right? And that water you can also drink. You can drink some of the water, because like I said, it's good for the blood. It helps to bitter your blood, and it's also good for diabetics. It lowers your sugar. It's called, they have the leaf also. You can boil it and drink it. It's called cerasee leaf. Alright, sorry. What they call it? I think they call it cerasee leaf over here. I think that's what they call it. Or it's well, we know it as I know it as Karila leaf. What do I know it? Oh God, I don't remember exactly what we call it. I think we call it the Karila leaf, vine, or cerasee. I think it might be cerasee. So you get some of that, you boil it, and you can make tea, or you can drink it just like that. Especially for the diabetics, no sugar, just drink it like that. and it helps to lower the sugar. Okay, guys? So I'm about to give this about a couple minutes more, like about 3 to 5 minutes more cook down, and then I'll take this off. And there goes my dinner. How are you guys doing? What's for dinner today? As you can see, I am eating Corolla with white rice. Okay? Anyway, you guys have a blessed Monday. Peace out. One love. Bye for now.